What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan, coming with another video. It's been like a couple of weeks, but I'm gonna make my super duper, I think I can see this. Gonna make my super duper acai bowl. So you have to get this bag right here. Acai bag, boom. Got frozen bananas, boom. So all you're gonna do is put the bananas in your blender. This, I usually use one, but I'm gonna kill the whole thing today, so melt it down a little bit, it don't really matter. Boom. You can break it up in pieces however you want. Hopefully everybody's doing great. This is gonna be a super duper acai bowl. Boom, break it up. Boom, throw this away. I like to clean at the same time. Put this in here. We're gonna put a little bit of almond milk, little by little. It's gonna be kind of loud. Throw it with the bag. Now this is not one of them super blenders, but it gets the job done, so you have to keep adding stuff. But man, if you go to the place I go to, just for an acai bowl is almost $10. You just want to keep smashing it until it smooths out. I usually put more frozen bananas in here, but it wasn't ripe enough to freeze, so I have to wait. Put a little bit more, and that's it. Tap it, bam, done with that. I usually make half of this, but I'm gonna go back to the gym again, so fuck it. Boom, that should be good. Yep. So what I like to do is get the big bowl. You're gonna get some granola, peanut butter granola. Put it on the bottom. Not too much granola. Get some coconut flakes. I like to put some in the bottom and then put the coconut flakes on top also. Boom. So far, this is gonna be, like I said, a super duper acai bowl. Also, I usually use half this, but I'm gonna use the whole thing. Fuck it, it's Sunday. Do your thing. Boom. Put some on the bottom. Boom. Don't cut your tongue off. And now it's time for this. Boom. You're gonna see it. Bam. Bam. You want to get all of it. This is some good money right here, so you want to get all of it. Some expensive shit, so you have to use all of it. Unplug this, boom, put this away. So now, put the rest of the blueberries. We're killing the whole blueberries today. Bam. Put in some more coconut. Put a little bit more of this on top. And I do put a little bit of peanut butter. I usually like almond butter, but I didn't have none, so. Clean up the mess while you at it. And I usually just, you know what? Since this is the bottom of it, I'm just gonna kill the whole thing. I know peanut butter is fattening, but you know what? Today is Sunday and I'm about to hit the gym again. Boom. I wanted to kill that peanut butter anyways. It's been there for a while. So I'm done, basically. I'll be right back. Let me show you the, there goes my Super Duper Açaí bowl. This might take me like a half hour to eat because I made too damn much, but fuck it. Also, you can't forget the nutmeg. Not too much. There you go, Super Duper Açaí.